Academy. I would like to welcome our Honorable Union Minister for Road and Transport and Highways, Shri Nitin Gadkari, with a bouquet of flowers. Now I would request Shri Navin Acharya to present a bouquet of flowers to our Honorable CM, Dr. Pramod Sawant. I would like Mr. Vivek Pawar to present a bouquet to our Honorable Minister PWD, Deepak Pavaskar. Without wasting any more time, we would be signing the MOU between Director of Sports and Youth Affairs and Achrekar Cricket Academy. It is signed by Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, Shri Mikala Chaitanya Prasad, IAS, and Shri Pravin Amre, Technical Consultant for Achrekar Cricket Academy. It will be set up in Navali, Sakli constituency. Thank you, everyone. Now we will be proceeding with the review of the PWD.